Hi viewers, this is Saurabh from Mac to iPhone. We have some emojis that we have to type several times as our requirement. Sometimes it's very difficult to find from the emoji keyboard with Control, Command and Spacebar. Today we will see how to do it with key replacement. Let's see. Go to System Preferences from Apple menu. Then Keyboard, Text. Now click plus icon to add new text replacement. Type your shortcut key for emoji. Then click here and bring emoji keyboard with Control, Command and Spacebar. Then select emoji. If you need emoji multiple times, then add multiple time. Now keyboard shortcut is added. Then go to your application and type the shortcut and it will type your emojis. If you wish, you can add there any text, address and website links also. That's all. Hope it is help you. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.